Hi guys. Hey guys. So you've seen the scale. It's the lowest I've been so far in this challenge. So pretty good, I would say. 80.7. So still pushing the same way. Doesn't matter. I can also see the same that I'm getting leaner in front of the mirror. So that's another good sign. And today's a leg day, the easier one. So pretty good. So anyways, I'll see you guys at the gym, alright? The gym now. The machine is available, it seems. So I'm gonna grab that, and we're gonna start with warm-ups as usual. Let's see if I can push the reps this week as well. I'm not really sure, especially with leg training, you know that I'm kind of like very cautious about this kind of stuff. So we'll see, alright? Alright, the first leg day of last week is done. I'm gonna talk to you guys on recap, right? Hey guys, it's another recap time. I just did my leg workout today. Overall, it was quite okay. Didn't have any issues in terms of my strength levels and so on. Everything is going fine. I wasn't able to like increase anything particularly, but you know, overall I was able to do pretty much the same thing that I've been doing for the past few weeks. It is okay to not being able to progress every single week or week after week, but you should at least be able to do the same stuff, at least basically maintain what you have as long as possible, right? I'm sticking to everything. Nothing is changing this week. My weight has been the lowest so far today, so it's a very good sign. Although I'm still, I don't know, maybe like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I might still have another like fluctuation, because this is what's been going on for like, you know, pretty much like every week since we started. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm not really bothered by it anymore, to put it that way, because I've already, as I said, achieved what I wanted to do. As for like by the end of this week, I haven't really decided, but I might continue with a little bit of reverse dieting stuff to be able to show you guys how it is. Alright, so this is something that I'm actually thinking about. I don't know if you're interested or not, because I feel like after losing weight, the most important thing is that to be able to keep it off of you, right? Like there is no point in me for like, you know, dieting for like 6 weeks and then after another 2 weeks, 3 weeks, getting back to where I was at. All right. So the most important thing about any kind of diet is that once you get the weight off, you should be able to maintain it. So when I finish this challenge, this is what my focus is going to be. Although I'm not going to be doing like, you know, daily videos and stuff. I'm still going to be giving you like a lot of tips and stuff, and I will also keep you guys updated on the progress of this challenge thing. All right. And then of course the regular videos will continue. All right, guys. So hopefully after you follow this challenge, get the weight off, and I will be able to keep that weight off of you for a while. All right, as long as possible, actually. So anyways, tomorrow is a pull day. Finally, I like pull days. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and thanks a lot for watching.